Hey folks, Adam here again, world's greatest medical. I gotta tell you about our website, worldsgreatestmedical.com. Sure, it's got a lot of hyperbole, but it is absolutely fantastic. So what are you gonna love about this? In my experience, YouTube has kind of search suppressed your best popping videos. They make it hard to find the new, innovative, and fun popping videos. A video that used to get 10 million views 5 years ago now is getting 3,000 views because YouTube doesn't want us watching gross stuff. So what did we do? We went ahead, partnered with a bunch of great creators, had them send us their favorite videos, the ones that they think you're going to want to love, and we've embedded them into a website called worldsgreatestmedical.com. It is the best of the best. Stuff from Dr. Gilmore, Dr. Aller, Watson, Dr. Popper, Lone Win, Hein Win, and all of your favorites, except they're not being suppressed by YouTube's search algorithm, which we understand. They made their decision that they want to proliferate the world with PG content. Well, worldsgreatestmedical.com is going to show you some of the content that maybe doesn't get listed as high in search. It's a little harder to find, but we know it's what the true popaholics are looking for. So the link is in the description below. It's called worldsgreatestmedical.com. It's a website where you can spend hours looking at your favorite popping videos. We've done a great job of categorizing. If you're into just medical content in general, you can hear from folks like Dr. Mike. If you like medical content in terms of procedures, you can hear from folks like Dr. Gilmore. There's an incredible amount of fantastic content on worldsgreatestmedical.com. In fact, there's a lot of exclusive content that can be found there and nowhere else. So anyway, folks, I invite you to go check out the website. Again, the link is in the description below. Also, if you're so inclined, you need some popper tools, there should be a link in the description below for popper tools. Some of the best available with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, the A to Z guarantee. They're highly rated, practically a 5-star average, and I think you're gonna love them. So anyway, folks, my name is Adam. I want you to check out worldsgreatestmedical.com. Check out all of our videos, cruise around the page a little bit, but don't be afraid to check out our new website, which we know you're gonna love. All right, folks, thanks again for supporting us. Some of our YouTube channels are pushing 150, 200 million views each, which means that you guys have liked our content, and we do appreciate that. We appreciate every one of you. You're part of our family, and hopefully we're part of yours. Click that subscribe button, check out all our videos, and of course, check out worldsgreatestmedical.com. Adios, amigos.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I just reordered a 90-day supply. I have more energy, I'm in a better mood.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.